Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube videos offline, and this is actually really easy to do. So I'm just on my desktop, but you can do this on your mobile device as well. So just click on a video. So I'm going to click on this one from YourSixAdventures, and at the bottom of the screen, there should be an option now for download. So if you're on the mobile device, you're going to have to use your thumb and scroll through here a little bit. Right next to share, there should be a download option. So we can select this. Now, if you're not a premium subscriber, you only have two options. You have standard 480p, and then we have low at 144. So I'm going to go to low. Then for the premium subscribers, you have YouTube for ad-free, and you can download at a higher quality. Here, you have full HD, 1080p, and 720p. So let's press download right here. And then in the bottom left, it's going to start downloading, and we can view this now. And it's at 28%, 30. So I have relatively slow internet here. So if you're going to maybe travel or something like that, it's a good way to just get all your videos ahead of time. Maybe get like 3 or 4 hours of videos just downloaded on your device. Then you can go to them and you can start watching them offline. Now this is relatively blurry, so I don't suggest like downloading a movie or anything like that if you don't have premium, because it'd be kind of difficult to watch. But it would be great for any kind of like podcast or anything like that, and you just want to listen to it and something more informational rather than something you need to watch. Then we can go to the download section right here and click on it, and we can see it in the future. So all our downloads should appear. You should just be able to click the 3 little lines also. Go to downloads right there. Then click this to remove it from your downloads folder on your computer. So if you don't have premium, might not be the best thing to watch videos, but you can listen to podcasts and music, and it works pretty well with that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.